finalized and released our financial results for the quarter ended September 2012. The overall results have been very satisfying. There has been increase in our net profit quarter on a sequential basis from 40 crores to 145 crores. Consequently, the return on assets has also improved from 0.26% in the previous quarter to 0.96% in the current quarter, in the September quarter. This has been possible mainly because of a very healthy net interest margin of 3.31% as against 3.19% in the previous half year. We have launched in the personal segment, we have launched a gold loan product. Which, I mean, you look at it, if you're looking for a housing, I mean, the cost at which housing loans are going up, and for the margin contribution also, this can be a source. The ornaments can be used to leverage your equity part of it. Agriculture sector, there has been, the state has been under drought for 3 consecutive years, because of which there are a lot of difficulties which are being experienced by our agriculture brethren. So we have, in the last quarter, we have restructured something of the order of about 60,000 plus accounts, given them more flexible deferred terms for repayment. So that would definitely go a long way to see that the deprivation which this community is exposed to is taken off, and they are able to come back to their normal operations, and from I mean, the penal interest part and all those things will also go away. So the net impact, we hope, will be positive. And of course there have been some recent late rains, so I think with the restructuring which we have done and these rains which have happened, definitely there should be some improvement in the agriculture sector. The revenue for banking sector is really, actually it's a function, as we said, of deposits, and I mean, my earning comes basically from the advances loan part of it, as well as fee based business, whether you call it say bank guarantee, LC business, or cross selling income or whatever. So their advances growth, as I said, we are looking at about 16 to 17% growth in advances, and we have been able to improve our income by 20 to 21%, which is what we will hope to sustain and build upon.